Are you drinking water the right way? You might be surprised to find out that there's a wrong way, or rather, some common mistakes people make when hydrating. Water is the lifeblood of our bodies, crucial for everything from digestion to brain function. Yet, how often do we overlook the simple act of drinking it correctly? Believe it or not, there are common errors we commit, affecting the benefits we get from this vital liquid. So, let's dive into the 9 common mistakes you're probably making when drinking water. The first mistake often made is not drinking enough water. Dehydration can lead to a host of health issues. Perhaps you're only reaching for your water bottle a few times a day, but did you know that your body needs a constant supply of water to function properly? Yes, from maintaining your body's temperature to lubricating your joints, water plays a critical role in your overall health. The second common mistake is waiting until you're thirsty to drink water. You see, thirst is actually a sign that your body is already dehydrated. So, staying ahead of thirst is a better strategy to keep your body well hydrated. Lastly, mistake number 3. Substituting water with other beverages. Coffees, sodas, and alcoholic drinks may quench your thirst, but they don't hydrate your body the same way water does. In fact, they can often lead to further dehydration. Now that you're aware of these mistakes, let's move on to the next set. Mistake number 4 is drinking water too quickly. It's much more beneficial to sip slowly throughout the day. Gulping down a large amount of water at once can lead to water intoxication, which can be harmful to your health. Not only that, but it also doesn't give your body the time it needs to absorb the water properly. So, take your time and hydrate gradually. The 5th mistake is consuming water with meals. While it's important to stay hydrated, drinking water during meals can dilute your digestive juices, making it harder for your body to break down food. It's best to drink water half an hour before or after your meal. Finally, mistake number 6 is drinking cold water after a workout. While it might feel refreshing, cold water can shock your system and slow down the recovery process. Instead, opt for room temperature water to rehydrate after exercise. Stay tuned to know the remaining common mistakes that you might be making. The 7th common mistake is believing that all water is the same. Not all water is created equal. Indeed, there are vast differences in mineral content and purity among tap water, bottled water, and filtered water. This can impact not only the taste, but also your health. Consuming water with high mineral content or contaminants can lead to health complications over time. Moving on, the 8th mistake is using disposable plastic water bottles. While they're convenient, they're not the best for our environment or health. The production and disposal of these bottles contribute significantly to pollution. Plus, harmful chemicals from the plastic can leach into the water. Finally, the 9th mistake is not considering the quality of water. It's not enough to just drink water. You have to ensure it's of good quality. Poor quality water can contain harmful bacteria or chemicals that can put your health at risk. These are the 9 common mistakes you're probably making when drinking water. But don't worry, there are solutions. Now that we've identified these mistakes, let's look at the solutions. Drinking water shouldn't be a chore, but a habit. Don't wait until you're parched. Keep a water bottle near and sip periodically. Too much or too little, both can be harmful, so aim for a balance. If you're drinking chilled water, switch to room temperature. Make sure you're not gulping down water with meals, but rather before or after. Lastly, don't replace water with other drinks. Remember, it's not just about drinking water, but drinking it the right way. Stay hydrated and stay healthy.